Today we are at Universal Studios in Hollywood to see if there are any signs of their annual Lunar New Year celebration. Every year in the center of the park at Universal Plaza on the upper lot, they put together a really beautiful and quite festive Lunar New Year celebration. And I believe it is not happening this year. There's been no information on it, although it is still listed under the events on their website. The PR team have told other bloggers that there will be select offerings such as food and merchandise, but again, I haven't seen any of that either. No one has posted any of that. So let's head inside and see if there are any Lunar New Year festivities taking place this year at Universal Studios Hollywood. Okay, so I see the Universal Studio store and the animation store have Lunar New Year merchandise. It's not very exciting, but they do have some t-shirts and pins, and Hollywood Dine says it's going to be a noodle shop starting February 1st, so maybe it has not started yet. It looks like there will be food available at Hollywood Dine starting February 1st. I peeked in, you can see the menus were up. And it looked like the staff was in there practicing maybe the food. I asked at the Hollywood Ticket Outlet if there was going to be a Lunar New Year celebration because the walls were up, and they told me yes. But it didn't look like it, so I went to guest relations and they said no. So only the food and the merchandise. So I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out in a few days. I was told yes and no, but it didn't look like anything was going up, even though there were walls up around Universal Plaza. So I'll edit in some video from the previous few years. I have some video and photos that I've taken in the past of what that experience looked like. As you can see, City Walk is dead. There's like no one here. It's actually kind of nice. So I stopped and talked to guest relations on the outside of the park, and they said they were still working on something for Lunar New Year, and there would be an announcement in an email by the end of this week. So I was told yes, no, and maybe something. There were some decorations up, some not. So it looks like they're working on something. I'm just not sure exactly what it is they're going to do.
A long time ago, there was a peaceful village in the mountains where the wind whoosh, whoosh, blew across the treetops, and a soft, gentle rain fingers fell on the field. Every night, the moon, excellent, would rise in the sky while the villagers slept happily. Every night, that is, except the first night of the new year, because right outside this peaceful village, there lived an evil beast. The creature's name was Nyan, and he terrified villagers with his infamous evil laugh. On the eve of the new year, he would destroy the villagers' crops, consume all the village livestock, and even look for little children to eat for a yummy snack. One year, as the village was preparing to be visited by the evil Nyan, a wise old man came to town. He asked the villagers why they hid in fear. You are many, and he is only one. Surely he could not swallow all of you. But the villagers remained skeptical of the wise old man and locked themselves away as they did every year. However, the next morning when the moon fell, excellent, and the rain cleared, they emerged from their homes to find nothing had been destroyed. No livestock had been eaten, no children had been taken. The wise old man had ridden on the back of Nyan until dawn, so the creature went back to its cave hungry. The village lived in peace until the next New Year, when the wise old man had to leave. "You can't go," cried the villagers. "The evil Nyan will come back to destroy our town." "I cannot protect you forever," said the wise old man. However, the beast is easily scared. He does not like the color red. He fears loud noises. So tonight, spread red across the village. Make loud noises with drums. Get it? Yeah! Music and firecrackers. Excellent. And to protect your children, give them face masks and lanterns. That night, when the moon rose in the sky, instead of hiding away, the villagers did as the old man instructed. They played drums, shot off firecrackers, and danced in the rain, while the wind howled in tune with the villagers' music. The evil Nyan stayed away, terrified of the sounds and colors coming from the village's celebration. From that day forward, every year, the advice of the wise old man is followed. The Lunar New Year is celebrated with music, loud drums, and firecrackers all day long. The color red is used to decorate, and special paper lanterns and masks are worn to keep evil away. And thus ends the tale of the Lunar New Year. Give yourselves a hand, guys! Give them a hand!
So keep posted here to the Funnel Cake blog to see if anything develops. We'll be back on the 1st to try out all that Lunar New Year food at Hollywood and Dine. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you are, make sure the notification bell is turned on. And if you're not following us on social media, you can find us at the Funnel Cake blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.